Learn basic Arabic phrases to speak Arabic. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. सलामती हो तुम पर.
Wa'alaikum assalam, and peace be upon you, और तुम पर भी सलामती हो.
Marhaban. Marhaban. Hello. Hello.
Ma ismuka, ma ismuka. What is your name? What is your name? Ana ismi, Ana ismi. My name is, my name is.
كيف حالك؟ كيف حالك? How are you? How are you?
Hali tayyibun, Hali tayyibun. I am fine, I am fine. Sabah al khair, Sabah al khair. Good morning. Masa'ul khair, Masa'ul khair. Good evening, good evening. Min aina anta, Min aina anta. Where are you from? Where are you from? Ana min, Ana min. I am from, I am from. Shukran, shukran. Thank you, thank you.